General Pipe Cleaners Speedrooter XL gives you long-distance clog-busting power to clear tough stoppages in 3 to 10-inch lines up to 200 feet long. A 3/4 horsepower heavy-duty motor gives it the power to clear tree roots and other difficult obstructions. The Speedrooter XL features easily interchangeable drums to add cable lengths to go longer distances, or swap cable sizes to clear smaller lines. Just remove the power cable feed, then loosen 2 knobs and remove the drum. Switch between 3/4 or 5/8 inch Flexicore cables in the large drum, or substitute the small drum with 100 feet of 1/2 inch Flexicore cable to clear smaller 2 and 3 inch lines. The see-through interdrum cage protects the cable from tangling and lets you quickly gauge how much cable you have left in the drum. With driving and pulling power for long, tough jobs, General's variable speed power cable feed easily feeds and retrieves 3/4, 5/8, and 1/2 inch Flexicore cables at up to 20 feet per minute. General's exclusive Flexicore wire rope center cable handles high torque loads without kinking or breaking. To give it that strength, we coil high-grade wire tightly around 49-strand wire rope, making an integral core that greatly increases strength. It's so tough, it carries a 1-year warranty, the strongest warranty in the industry. The durable design features a braced frame at key stress points and front and rear drum supports for longer bearing wear. The wheel brake secures the machine on the job or in your truck. The Speedrooter's field-tested design offers easy handling. The adjustable height handle lets you set the handle height to suit you. It can be set 3 inches taller or more compact, depending on your preference. V-belt stair climbers help you transport the machine up and down steps, and big 10-inch wheels make this powerful machine more maneuverable and easier to roll to and from the job. One person can load the Speedrooter onto a truck. The machine's frame slides smoothly from the loading wheel to the handle to stair climbers and finally to the wheels. General Speedrooter XL with long-distance clog-busting power. For more information, call the Drain Brains at General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.